Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enter a meeting ID in Microsoft Teams to join a meeting. This is useful if you have received a meeting invite with a specific meeting ID and need to join a scheduled call or meeting. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the Microsoft Teams, click on the Calendar tab from the left sidebar. This will show you your scheduled meetings. At the top right of the calendar page, you will see the Join with an ID option. Click on these options. In the pop-up window, you will see a field to enter the meeting ID and passcode. Enter the meeting ID and meeting passcode you received in the invite. This is usually a unique number that identifies the meeting. After entering the ID and passcode, click Join Meeting. Once you have entered the meeting ID, you will be placed in a waiting room until the meeting organizer announces you in. And that's it. Now you know how to enter a meeting ID in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.